Ndabasuhuje, mbifurije ibihe byiza aho muri hose, mbifurije kurama no guhirwa n'ubuzima. Indi kode ngiye kubabwira, igihe nimero ya telefone utari kuyibona cyangwa se umuntu umubwiye ngo mpa nimero yawe ya telefone ntayikubwire cyangwa se atayibuka, uzafate zino kode, uzakande akanyenyeri 135 akanyenyeri 8 urwego, maze ukande Yose cyangwa se bitewe na simukadi irimo iya mbere cyangwa iya kabiri bizahita biza. If the phone number that is in your phone does not appear directly, or the one who able to tell you the phone number is no, he or she forgot the phone number that is in the phone you have. *135*8# and call according to the number of the SIM card that you have in your phone. You will choose one among of 2 or 3 according to the phone or the space that is appropriate to a manufacturer of the phone, and directly the phone number will be appeared in your phone. For example, for mine, let me show you on my smartphone. *135*8#, and after hash, this is my phone number have 2 space for SIM card, like this one. Directly my phone number will appear below. This is how you can find the phone number that is in your phone. When someone don't recognize it. Ndabashimiye. Subscribe, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel called Agatu TV, the Knowledge YouTube. Thank you. I like you.